Hey everyone, so today's video, yes, this is the last video that you will see here. Well, this is the last time that I'm filming with this, and this video is me going to buy my first camera, so I can't wait to go buy my camera. Well, it's not my camera yet, but I'm going to buy a camera. So yeah, I got back from my class 2 hours ago and I'm leaving soon, but this video is me going to buy my camera and doing an unboxing video, so I can't wait to buy it, and yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog. So I got back from Montreal and bought my camera. It's my first ever camera. This is an unboxing video of my first camera. So here is the bag, Best Buy. I'll open the SD card. So I already had an SD card, but I bought one for backup and it has more space. So here we go, let's open it. Here is the SD card. So I'm gonna show you my first camera in this bag. Get ready. Oh god. I bought the Sony Cybershot DSC HX80. So I bought this camera, as you can see. Oh my god. It's my first camera ever. And it comes with an adapter, an AC adapter, rechargeable battery pack, a micro USB cable, and a wrist strap. So, oh god, I'm gonna open it. Let's open it. Oh my god, my first camera. How do we open it? Ooh. Oh. So it looks like this. So I'll put it down. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my god. So we have the instructions over here. I'll read them later. 1 year. Instructions here. Okay. So we have the charger here. As you can see, it's here. Oh my god. The wrist wrap to plug, but I'm not gonna use it, only to charge it, I think. What is this? Ooh, the battery. Here we go. And is there something else here? No. Let's do the review. Oh my god. 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 The screen flips. I'm a real vlogger, guys. Holy shit. Oh my god. Fuck, man. Look at this beauty. Oh my god. Look. Oh my god. This is insane. Now I can look at myself. Damn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now what do I do? Open. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now. This is insane. Now it's working. Holy shit. Oh my god. Eee. I have to charge it already. What the hell? Okay, it is working right now. I just want to see the zoom. Oh, damn. Look at the zoom. Holy shit. Look at this. Holy shit. That's crazy. Damn, yo, I'm so happy right now. I have a real camera. So here we go. Let's press record. Oh my god. Oh my god. Damn. Oh my god, this is the first clip ever with my new camera, and I am looking at myself right now, but I will look at the lens. Oh my god, I'm a real vlogger. This is insane. I'm so happy. God. So now I am going to show you guys with what I've been recording my videos. So here we go. This is what I record with, and it's recording right now. An iPod on a Gorilla Pod, charging, and you can see the extension is there. Wow, this is so crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so happy right now. No more recording with this. Now I will record all my videos on that camera, and I have to charge it right away because I just got it and the battery isn't that charged, so I am charging it tonight. So oh my god, this is insane. Now, hey, I'm vlogging, everyone. Woo. This is insane. Wow. Oh my god. Let's look at myself. Oh my god, c'est fucking nice. Oh my god. Yo, je capote. This is so... I'm so happy right now. I will now be recording with this all the time, and oh my god. And now I will retire my iPod. Thank you so much for giving me my first YouTube money. And now let's end it here. No more iPod. Now I'm recording with this all the time. And yeah, this is going to be a new chapter in my life. So all of my videos will be recorded on a real camera. So yeah, I'm super excited. So thank you for watching this unboxing video. It's not one of the greatest, but it's my first camera ever. And I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I got it. It's so worth it, and better videos and better content will be up soon. God, I'm so happy. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my social medias that are in the description down below, and you can turn on the notification bell when I post. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. So today's shout out goes to Brendan TV for writing nice video. So if you want to get a shout out, just write a positive comment on a video and you can get a shout out in the next video. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you are happy as me that I bought a camera. So thank you for watching.